So DreamCloud has been getting a lot of attention lately for offering a luxury style hybrid mattress at a much more affordable price. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how it's built, what kind of sleep experience you can expect, and which model might be the best fit. Whether you're looking for firmer support, deeper pressure relief, or just a better night's sleep without overspending. Let's jump in. So DreamCloud has carved out a pretty unique space in the online mattress world by doing something most brands don't, combining high-end materials with more affordable pricing. You're getting things like cashmere-blend covers and gel memory foam, but without the premium showroom markup. They're able to do that by skipping traditional retail altogether. There's no stores, no salespeople, just a direct-to-door setup that keeps costs down and lets them focus on the things that really matter, like better construction and long-term support. The goal here is what they call uncompromised rest. Whether you need stronger back support, better cooling, or just want that luxury hotel feel without spending over $2,000. And the way they get there is through a hybrid design. Foam on top for pressure relief, coils underneath for bounce and support. So it addresses big sleep issues like overheating, poor alignment, or that stuck feeling without going too soft or too firm. They also back everything with a 365-night trial and a lifetime warranty, which just removes the guesswork and gives you plenty of time to make sure it's the right fit. So all around, DreamCloud offers a premium hybrid experience with strong materials, real support, and long-term value without forcing you into the luxury price tier to get it. So to understand how DreamCloud really performs, it's all about the layers, and this hybrid setup isn't just for show. It's designed to give you that ideal mix of comfort, support, and cooling. On top, the cashmere blend cover and the gel-infused memory foam create a very soft, plush feel that cushions pressure points like your hips and your shoulders. That contouring helps reduce tossing and turning, making it easier to stay in deep sleep. Now beneath that is a firmer transition layer that keeps you from sinking too far. It adds pushback to maintain a medium firm feel and helps keep your spine aligned across all sleeping positions. Now the foundation is a set of individually wrapped coils. Since each one moves independently, the mattress adapts to your body while still minimizing motion transfer. It's great for couples, and because the coil layer is open, it promotes airflow to help regulate temperature. All right, setup is simple. It arrives compressed in a box, expands once it's unsealed, and is ready to sleep on the same day, though it does take about 72 hours to fully stabilize. You're also getting reinforced edge support, breathable materials, and Pure US certified foam, so everything is safe, supportive, and comfortable over time. Now, if you are thinking about going with DreamCloud, the next step is figuring out which model fits your sleep style best. They all share that same hybrid foundation, foam on top, coils underneath, but each one's tuned slightly different depending on how much pressure relief, cooling, or cushioning you want. The Classic is the starting point and still the most popular. You're still getting the full hybrid design, but with a thinner comfort layer that gives it a firmer, more responsive feel. It lands right around firm, so it's ideal if you like a supportive surface that's easy to move around on. It works especially well for back and stomach sleepers or anyone who prefers a flatter sleep surface. You're also getting solid edge support here, which makes the bed feel a bit more spacious overall. Now the Premier builds on that by adding a thicker layer of memory foam and a high loft Euro top. Now this softens the surface just a bit, and it gives it more of that hotel bed feel while still keeping the same medium firm core underneath. If you're a side sleeper, this extra depth does a better job cushioning your shoulders and your hips, which makes it more comfortable over long stretches. And that Euro top also gives it a more plush first impression when you first lie down. Now from there, Deluxe takes things a step further by adding zone support. The center of the bed is slightly firmer to keep your hips and lower back aligned, while the top and bottom zones are a bit softer for your shoulders and your legs. And if you have back or joint pain, this one's worth a serious look. It also features a thicker pillow top, so you get deeper pressure relief without losing the support underneath. And then at the top, there's the Ultra, which is the top tier model. It's the tallest, most advanced, and has the most cooling features. The standout here is the phase change material in the cover. It actively adjusts to your body's temperature by absorbing and releasing heat as needed, which is great if you sleep hot. The support core also features 5 targeted zones from head to toe, so each part of your body gets the right level of firmness. It's definitely a premium build, but if you want the most in terms of comfort, cooling, and alignment, this is the one to get. Now what really sets DreamCloud apart is how much they focus on the full experience, not just the mattress, but everything around it. You get a full 1-year night trial, which is way longer than the usual 100 nights. That gives you time to see how it feels through different seasons, and more importantly, how your body adjusts over time. If it's not the right fit, returns are free and easy. There's also a lifetime warranty. Most brands stop at about 10 years, but DreamCloud covers your mattress for as long as you own it, including sagging over 1.5 inches, which is more generous than average. The materials are CERT Pure US certified and hypoallergenic, so there's no off-gassing, and it's a solid pick for anyone sensitive to chemicals or dust. And if you are sharing the bed, motion isolation is excellent. You're not going to feel every toss and turn. Reinforced edges also make it easier to sit or sleep near the edge without sliding off, which is a small thing, but it does make a big difference. And if you want to give DreamCloud a try, then you can check out the affiliate links in the description below. Doesn't cost you anything extra, and we might earn a small commission, which helps out the channel. And sometimes we do have special deals that you wouldn't get if you went directly through their website. All right, another big reason DreamCloud stands out is their pricing strategy. At first glance, the retail prices might look steep. Most models are listed well over $2,000, but in reality, almost everyone buys during one of their regular sales, so what you actually pay is often hundreds of dollars less, which makes DreamCloud one of the better values in the hybrid mattress space. Take the classic model. It's officially listed at around $1,900, but it's almost always on sale for about $700. At that price, it's competing with budget all-foam beds, except here, you're getting a full hybrid build with pocketed coils, memory foam, and a breathable cashmere-blend cover. It's a great option if you want a real upgrade without spending a fortune. The Premier usually lands at around $1,100 and offers a step up in comfort with a thicker Euro top and better pressure relief, especially for side sleepers. And then the Luxe falls in that $1,300 to $1,500 range depending on promotions, and that adds zone support for better spinal alignment, plus a softer, more cushioned feel. And at the very top is the Ultra, which typically sells for around $2,000. It's their most feature-rich option with advanced cooling materials and 5-zone coil support, but even here, you're paying less than what most luxury brands charge for similar builds. And to sweeten the deal, DreamCloud often includes extras like pillows, sheets, or a mattress protector whenever you order. They also offer 0% financing through Affirm, so you can break it down into monthly payments around $575 a month for the Classic with no added interest. It's a smart way to make premium sleep more affordable. And if you've been looking at DreamCloud, chances are you've come across Saatva. Both brands go after that same sleeper, someone who wants hotel-style comfort, solid back support, and a more premium feel, but the way they deliver that experience is very different. DreamCloud is built around convenience. The mattress ships compressed in a box, so it's easy to carry, fits through doorways, and arrives quickly through FedEx or UPS. Saatva uses white glove delivery instead, so the mattress isn't compressed and gets set up for you, which is nice if you want the help, but you'll need to work around longer delivery times and someone else's schedule. Now, in terms of construction, DreamCloud is a true hybrid with memory foam on top and pocketed coils underneath. This gives it a nice mix of contouring and support. Saatva uses a more traditional coil-on-coil design, a Euro pillow top over micro coils with a second coil layer below. So while both offer strong support, the feel is very different. DreamCloud keeps it simple with one firmness level, luxury firm, designed to suit most people. Saatva gives you more options, plush, soft, luxury, firm, and firm. So if you already know you need a specific feel, that flexibility might be a selling point. Both offer a full 1-year trial, but returns are handled differently. DreamCloud makes it free and easy. They'll pick up the mattress and give you a full refund. Saatva charges a return fee, usually around $100, which is something to factor in if you're undecided. Now, the biggest difference though is price. DreamCloud's Classic usually goes for around $700, while a similar Saatva model costs over $1,800. And while both use quality materials, that's a big gap, especially since DreamCloud often includes extras like pillows and sheets. As for motion isolation, DreamCloud has the edge. The memory foam and the pocketed coils do a better job of absorbing movement, which is great for couples. Saatva's design is a bit bouncier, so it's easier to move around on, but you're likely going to feel more of your partner's movements at night. So if you want more firmness options and like the idea of hands-off setup, Saatva might be worth it. But if you're after faster delivery, better motion control, and a lower price for similar quality, DreamCloud's the better value. So after breaking everything down, DreamCloud really stands out as a top-tier hybrid, offering the kind of comfort and support that you'd expect from a $2,000 mattress, but at a much more reasonable price. The Classic is a solid option, Supportive, breathable, and versatile. The Premier and Deluxe models add more cushioning for side sleepers, and the Ultra is ideal if you need serious cooling and pressure relief. But the real win is the risk-free setup. With a 1-year trial and a lifetime warranty, you get a whole 365 days to try it in real life with nothing to lose. And that wraps up today's video. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, then please like and subscribe to see more just like this. And as I mentioned earlier, check the links below for the best deals available right now. Also, if you are interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.